The lady's house caught on fire. Her insurance paid out the money, and she gave the money to this contractor, and they just took off with the money. And this is what they finished with the house. It was actually worse than that, so we finished some of it. Her house went to pre-foreclosure twice already. She was about to lose her house. She reached out to us.
Wow, I'm so glad she reached out to us. But before the house looked like this, it looked like this, and like this. But now, it looks like this. And I need you guys to remember this. If you're coming close to foreclosure, or you have a property that's really damaged, don't think it's worthless. Give us a call. When we say we buy any house, we really mean it.